I'm back with another new software, which is about Checkout Maximizer. Well, about this software, you need no experience, no ads, no tech skills, no hard cost. Well, coming to this software, which is very important for a affiliate marketer, email marketer, which they work for so many hours per day and get less results. But this software reduces that work for you guys. You have to just post the link of the website where you have to post every second, for your earning of the affiliate marketing. The in that way, your this software uploads it again and again in that link, so that so all the people watch that link, and some might get interested in buying that. So you can earn from this software per day about $200 minimum. Maximum it can be enough, like let's say about, coming to this you can see last 30 days, last 7 days, today, yesterday. These are the some testings done by the software developers, and this is the success rate which have they've given here. And coming to this, they have, see, they are officially launched halfway through 2021. Prepays are desperate to break through, falling prey to fake gurus and scams, buying products after product, not making any progress. No matter what you do or how hard you try, you're still never able to get ball rolling. Slowly but surely you begin questioning yourself, judging yourself, blaming yourself. You divorce every single once of your self-belief. You started to lose faith in making money. I know how it feels. However, you're not alone, because I have been in your shoes. It wasn't easy, I know. I barely scraped a living with minimum wage, broke as a joke, dealing with demanding boss, long commutes, difficult clients, struggling to meet deadlines, sleepless nights. It drove me insane. I needed to way out. I desperately wanted to free myself from this miserable life. I was in a dire situation of do or die. With no income, tons of bills, I ended up trying solo ads, email marketing, affiliate marketing, posting on social media, drop shipping, blogging, marketing agency. However, it seems like no matter how hard I work, how much I invest, how many times I tried, yet I was never able to see any results. But after months of trials or errors, I finally had my breakthrough. I now a privileged life most would only dream of it. So allowed me to quit my job, never worry about money again, buy my parents a new house, retire before the age of 30, purchase my dream car, move into a luxurious condo. I am about life-changing amounts of money. Like you can see, guys, how many sales he has made through affiliate snapshots. You can see these are the sales he has done within about, uh, let's say about 7 days. You can see this is the amount he has earned from this sharing this software. And you can see that yesterday, I mean one day before, he has done about almost of $1,891. If I show you how much it is, let's calculate here. USD to INR. I'll show you here. You can see, guys, in a one day he has earned about 1,40,330 rupees. So you think his monthly salary is 1,40,539 dollars. So you can see right here it is how much it is showing. It is almost about 1,42,422,000 something, guys. I am unable to perfectly tell you here. But yeah, you can earn from this software, increasing your sales. Don't miss out it, because it's quite new to the field, and it's gained more field in the market. I will stop the video for 5 to 6 days. I'll tell you in the video that why I'm not editing the videos, because I want to keep it real, because you many people watch it, and they should not get afraid of it watching. So that so that they have to believe it's real and working. So I'm not going to edit any videos and thumbnails as it is. I'm keeping it real and I'm recording it in my own voice. And yeah, guys, uh, I'll start giving uh, the updates on Checkout Maximizer. Well, I'm going to tell why should you buy this and what is the price of it. Okay, and coming to this, and the traffic is lifeblood of any business. You need conversations to start making money online. Without conversations, you'll never make money online. It does not matter what strategy you are using. That's the reason you most beginners are still facing, regardless of what you're selling, whether it is affiliate products, CPA offers, your own products, e-commerce products, physical or digital products, high ticket products or services, coaching or consulting, traditional offline business. If you can't get conversations, then nothing is going to happen. Traffic is your key. Traffic is your key to freedom castle. We just hold your horses because this traffic loophole has nothing to do with solo ads, paid ads, Facebook or Google, creating content, blogging, making videos, spamming on social media, or anything that's old, slow, and outdated. Proudly introducing Checkout Maximizer, a simple, effective tool that will unlock more profits and more sales today, and it will only take you just few clicks of your mouse. Check Get Checkout Maximizer at a one-time price, and you can see, guys, it is just $17 once and used forever, and you can give it back at any 365 money back guarantee, guys. And this is a web-based software. I can assure you that, guys, that you will not return this software once you have bought it. I can give that assurance because everybody needs traffic and nobody wants to be failing in their business. So yeah, I am damn sure that you will not return this product and you will not lose anything. You are one click away to get thousand times more buyers. Tap into what $36 billion traffic loophole. Get real buyers with cash in hand ready to buy. Be the first to ride on next biggest profit wave. No monthly fees. Pay once and use Checkout Maximizer forever. Works in any niche. No tech skills or experience needed. Total newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight. Act now to lock in the 3000 plus free bonus packages. The price is rising if you want. If you wait, you will pay more. Get started risk free with 30 days money back guarantee. Get results in 30 seconds. You can see this, guys, 30 days money back guarantee. You can return this if you don't like it within 1 month. And you can see these are incredible features in this software. One click order from Maximizer, offer cash discounts easily, WP Checkout Maximizer, viral traffic at your fingertips, jaw dropping high quality custom mode graphics and proven to convert, ad and much more. The coolest part is that you can achieve all of this with just a few clicks of your mouse, and you can see, guys, worth $197 per month or 3000 I mean 2364 per year. Dead easy to use, intuitive WordPress plugin that will allow you to increase conversations thousand at the click of your mouse. Don't miss it out, guys. I'm telling you this because so many people would have started their e-learning platform and will not be getting traffic. And some of you might have launched some products on your own, and there also you might be not getting such good traffic, and you might be going through social media, going through influencers, but it might be not good full also, and you might be commenting on other posts to buy your product, but so many people would not reach out to you. But this software does everything for you. 5 ways to make $500 per day with Checkout Maximizer. We are not stopping there. And this is the bonus, guys. Ebook Maker software. powerful new software creates top quality ebooks quickly and easily right now from your WordPress dashboard. And you can see this guy's bonus too. Page Tobacco, WP Easy Launcher, WP plugin, Engage Plus software, Slideshow Master, WP plugin, Shift Page, and you can see this is all includes in the kit. $197 per month or $2,364 per year. Here's a list of everything you are getting today with Checkout Maximizer. You can see this. This is what all it's included. You get today 10,964 plus value. For limited only, grab it for 190 and $197 per offer. This after, I mean, some days they're going to change this to $197 per month, and now it's priced only $17. And you can see this, and the price is going up. If you wait, you will pay more, guys. This is not a drill. This is a sharp warning. If you act now, you lock in your copy at the lowest price possible and secure yourself with limited only exclusively free gifts worth thousands. 30 days money, ironclad money back guarantee. Here's a list of everything. You can see this, guys, and you can take a screenshot of it. I'm just holding up for a second. Okay, you can see it, right? Brand new and everything. But for the first month of their launch, they have kept only for $17. After that, the price is going to high, and he is the launcher of this software, Pravesh Mahajan. PPS, and the traffic you generate with Checkout Maximizer is 100% free. You won't pay a dime. That's because all you need is a copy of Checkout Maximizer to start getting more conversations. No additional tools or fees required. PPS, the low one-time price for checkout, will not be available for forever after the discount period is over. We will be charging this month for a monthly price of $197. Your investment is back 30 days, better than money back guarantee. This is zero risk. Get your hands on Checkout Maximizer, and I'm going to reveal the link of where you can buy this software so that you don't miss out this. And yeah, guys, this is where I stop my video. This is about it, the software. Yeah, guys, take care. Bye.